Na tugithina mbere ni ati Mwahũ wa Ambunge kuma ithũĩro ria bũrũri ni marutĩire munene wa borithi mũkana makienda aikio ngono orio ekinai aria kana aikie ngono orio ekinai aria maratharĩkĩire senator wa kaunti ya Vihiga Godfrey Osotsi ari kaunti-inĩ ya Kisumu muthenya wa ira makiaria mari bunge-inĩ ya bũrũri. Ambunge acio ni matetetie ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri bũrũri-inĩ na ciĩko cia anyanake gũtharĩkĩra mũingĩ nginyagia atongoria.
What happened is very wrong. And those who are sponsoring these goons, those who are sponsoring the bloggers who are currently tainting the name of Osotsi should be ashamed of what they did. It's good to note that political intolerance should not be accepted. You may realize that over the recent past, we have seen organized goons kind of, invade public spaces. We have seen goons invade people worshipping in churches. We have seen goons assembling at an entrance of an airport to harass leaders. And now we are seeing goons invading public spaces like restaurants and hotels to attack leaders.
This has been a very well orchestrated and designed attack, and it started some times back. It started when we were going to have a rally in Kakamega, where they sent goons that blocked us from using Kisumu Airport after the passenger manifest was leaked by the security agencies to these goons. On the same day, it's very systematic. Honorable Nyonka was attacked and his vehicles damaged at near the Kondele Bridge. So obviously, we see a pattern of intolerance that is exhibited from the very top and is now being pushed to the lower grounds.
We are calling upon the Inspector General of Police. Kama kazi imemshinda, resign. We get another Inspector General of Police who can be able to make sure that Kenyans are safe. And the issue of talking about Luo, that's not the case. I'm telling you, if you went out and checked, we have even similar scenario and security problems in Mombasa. We have similar security problems in Kirinyaga.
I'm saying, Kanja, come out of your office. You are being paid taxpayers' money. Get to the ground. Fold your shirt. Go and get criminals. By the way, the Central Bank of Kenya is next to that place. We have so many civilian police around Central Bank of Kenya. Surely people walking just in hoods. You can't see them and wonder, who are these people walking around in hoods?
If we differ on ideologies, let us reason and work out on ideologies, but not go physical. This one will not tolerate, and we condemn these acts. And also, we want our security agencies to move in full swing. And to me, what I really want to come out is these young people did not go and attack Senator on their own. Yeah. These are dogs of somebody.